Hi guys, big congratulations on your mega success in your 10th standard results. This is Neeraj sir from Shesh Educare. It's an important announcement for those who are opting for commerce. Well, your college admissions will be on and on and on for almost a month or two. The college lectures would begin somewhere from last week of July or first week of August. So we have all the time in the world, that's what you may think. Acha. Some of you might be now bored of even doing time pass. So it's a time for us to get into something. Sir, college is going to start, you're only announcing after 2 months or so. So हम क्या करेंगे? Yes. We need to start our 11th standard studies now. It's commerce. It's a new field. It has new subjects. Your base for commerce is obviously made in 11th and 12th. So we can't take things lightly. Wherever the college will start, we will enjoy our college life. But in classes, we need to come and learn things, right? So at Shesh Educare, we are starting first batch from 7th of June. Yes, you heard it right. It's 7th June. Sir, why should we join Shesh Educare? And what is so special about Shesh Educare? We are from school. We don't know what is the college coaching class culture is all. Don't bother about all these things. I have spent only 24 years teaching commerce students. I will personally be teaching you in 11th standard and 12th standard also your bookkeeping and accountancy subject. Plus I have team, I have my colleagues who will take care of other subjects. It's a professional classroom environment. But yes, you can have a doubt, right? So for the first time, knowing the so-called confusion in your mind, and also keeping in mind market trend, at Shesh Educare, for the first time, we are allowing you to pay only 5,000 rupees fees and start attending the lectures for 1 month. After 1 month, if you change your stream or if you are not comfortable with us, that is, you reject us, we'll refund the full fees. We have limited students per batch. Yeah, you heard it right. Limited students. So what are you waiting for? Enroll your name, enroll your admission for your first batch itself. See you on 7th June in the class. Bye.